Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refund an order on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and of course log into your profile, or if you don't have one, you can always go and register on Etsy. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your categories where you can check out all of your categories. In the search bar, you can go and type for anything that you want to search for. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refund an order on Etsy. Well, to refund an order on Etsy, you need to go to your account on etsy.com and click on Shop Manager, which is in the top right corner. Of course, first of all, you need to go and put in all the information and create your shop, of course. Then click on orders and shipping when you do that and come back to this video, of course. Find the order you want to refund. And when you have already, of course, go and found that, you just need to go and click on the icon next to it. Then click issue a refund. After that, select the reason for issuing a refund and add an order message to buyer. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.